How to fix Stronghold Crusader Definitive Edition crashing on Steam, or keeps crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to your library and then right click on the game, click on properties, and then under general tab under launch options you want to type -dx11 for DirectX 11. Then you want to go to installed files, click on verify the integrity of game files and wait for this process to finish. And once it's done, you want to click on the browse button, and then it will show up a folder where the game is installed. You will need to find the game's exe file, right click on it and then click on properties, and then go to compatibility tab and make sure to check both of these options right here, and then you can apply and close out of these windows. Now you want to open the GPU application. So for NVIDIA, you will need NVIDIA app. Then you want to go to the drivers section and make sure to check for the latest update and download and install the latest game ready driver. And once you finish downloading and installing this driver, you will most likely be asked to restart your computer. And once you do that, you should simply launch Steam as administrator by right-clicking on Steam and clicking on Run as admin. And once you're on Steam, you should simply launch the game again, and that should solve the crashing issues. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.